Predicting revenue is very important for any enterprise, and I'll show you on how to do that with machine learning. So let's start with some sample data. Here you have the sample revenue data for an enterprise for last year, for 2025. In addition, you also have information related to the marketing spend, website traffic, conversion rate, as well as seasonality. Now, we would like to predict the revenue for 2026 for this enterprise. But before we do that, let us understand on why predicting revenue is important. First of all, it is very important for strategic planning. You can make informed decisions about resource allocation, hiring, and expansion strategies. It is also useful for cash flow management, and in general, predicting revenue can also help boost investor confidence. But predicting revenue is not that easy, like predicting the future is not that easy. What impacts the revenue? Is it the marketing spend? Is it the website traffic? Or is there something else? So machine learning can help because it can understand the different factors. It can also analyze the interaction between different factors and come out with a prediction. Now, there are various techniques which can be used for machine learning. You have techniques such as random forest or gradient boosting, which are very useful for predicting revenue based on non-time series based data. In addition, you also have time series models such as ARIMA and LSTM, which can understand the patterns, the seasonality based on time and come out with a prediction. And then you can combine both these approaches using ensemble method. So let us see on how this revenue prediction using machine learning looks like. So here you see in white the revenue for 2025 for the past year. This is based on actual, which is based on the data what we have already seen earlier. And then in pink, you see the predicted revenue for 2026. In addition, you also have this feature importance analysis, which helps you understand what were the important factors which impacted the revenue for 2026. So for example, here you can see that marketing spend and website traffic were the top features which impacted the predicted revenue for 2026. Now, it's also very important that you are confident about this model. So what you can do is you can take this model and apply it to 2025, for which you already know the revenue. And then you compare the actual revenue with the predicted revenue to come out with some confidence scores. And if you see a confidence score which is very high, such as more than 90%, yes, you can take this model and apply it to 2026 or future years. So predicting revenue is very important for any enterprise, and machine learning can help.